What is going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to find competitor ASINs that you can target in Amazon PPC campaigns. So what we're gonna do is utilize Amazon's first party data. So they've been actually pulling in a lot of this data and gathering a vast amount of data about our competitors in a particular niche that we're gonna utilize. So what we're gonna do, the first thing we wanna do is go to Seller Central. Once you log into Seller Central, you just need to navigate to the drop down menu, alright? And it's gonna unfold. Once it unfolds, you go and select growth and then go into the product opportunity explorer tool. And I'm sure a lot of you have heard about this tool, but this is just an amazing tool that is built within Amazon that we can use to come up with a huge list of competitors where we see that we have a competitive advantage. So this is going to be a great opportunity for us to take away some sales from them, right? And drive sales at a profitable ACOS, right? At a low ACOS. So here's what you're going to do. Once you come onto this page, you can either type in the ASIN, right? Type in the keyword that describes your product. So let's say I'm selling a skin serum for body. So I'm going to type in the keyword, or you can actually the other way to use this tool is just to grab the ASIN, pick the ASIN off your listing and punch it right there, and it's gonna work the same way. Basically, either of these methods will work well for you, and it's just gonna pull up a lot of these competitor products that are related to the ASIN or the keyword that you are searching up here. So what we're gonna do is hit this button, right? And it's gonna basically show us around 100 products, right? Because it's limited only to 100 products per one search. So keep that in mind. I think if you type in the keyword, it's gonna show you up to 1000. Okay, in this case it's not working. Keep in mind that if you don't have like a particular, like a related product to the keyword that you are searching up in your account, right? So I might be selling, in this account, like a different product, let's say cargo bag, which is actually, this basically account belongs to that product. But, if I'm looking up this, different keyword that is not related to the niche where I'm actually focused in, then it's not gonna show us these results. So keep that in mind. So regardless, we're gonna focus on the ASIN. All right, so there we go. Now you will see that we got 100 products, so all of these products are well selling. But what we might want to do, since our product is going and it's selling for $21, we might want to actually filter down these results and narrow down, really drill down into competitors that are performing worse than us, or where we actually have like a competitive edge. So what we're gonna do is go and click on this filter results, and we're gonna apply a filter for the price. So let's do minimum $22, all right? And it's just gonna show us all products that have like a bad offer. So they have like a worse offer because these products are selling for like more expensive. So yeah, that might be like a competitive edge through which you can compete and really take away sales from your competitors. And a great idea is to actually stack up these filters. So maybe you got, you apply the filter for the price. Now you can go ahead and, choose a different filter. Let's say I want to focus on competitors with a worse star rating. So they might have like a lower star rating. So let me check this. Okay, we got a 4.4 star. So let's see where some of these competitors are lacking in the star rating. So let's actually tick this box, and we're gonna type in 4.3 for the maximum as the filter for average rating. So let's submit, and there we go. You can see that we can still actually see we are still getting the full 100 products. Like we're still getting 100 products, which is a good thing. So now we can download this, okay, and we can then remove these filters. Okay, let's then go ahead and play around with these filters. So my product has like 30 reviews. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to find someone in this niche who is selling well but has less reviews, right? So okay, let's go ahead to average or total ratings, and let's type in maximum 25 reviews. And there we go. Okay, but we are still able to see and find some of these competitors that meet these requirements, which is a good thing. All right, so if I go and check this, you'll see that they are actually making some revenue. And if you take a look, you'll see that the search click count, right? So people are clicking on these ASINs. This is what this means. If you take a look at this data, you'll see that people are actually clicking on these products, right? Because that's what these numbers indicate. Like, they indicate the demand of these products that they are, getting. But that's it for this video, essentially. Now you just need to, really let your creativity flow. Try to really experiment with these different filters to come up with a unique list. So a good thing is that if you actually clear up these, remove these filters and apply the different ones, it will always give you or spit out a fresh list of competitors that you can use in your Amazon advertising campaigns, and it's gonna drive you profitable sales once you run and launch these ASIN targeting campaigns. A good chance is that it's gonna really drive you additional sales at a low ACoS if you apply these filters strategically to narrow down this list and really focus on competitors that are lacking, and compared to your product, they are actually performing worse, right? So by applying these filters, you can really come up with something that you see, okay, my product maybe is cheaper, or I might have a better optimized listing, or I might have more reviews, a higher star rating. So you can really use these attributes to just signal your competitiveness level, right? And yeah, that's just how it works. So hopefully this was valuable. Now you just need to really go ahead, copy these ASINs and put them in your Amazon advertising campaigns to start generating some of these additional sales. So if you need any help with advertising, you can actually go ahead to my website, digitfruition.com. Let me show you. So we are an Amazon PPC agency, right? And yeah, our goal is to help you scale to 1 million in monthly revenue. So if you're at least making 5 figures in monthly revenue, and you are a private label brand that wants to grow revenue and reduce advertising costs, so go ahead to our website. You can ask for a free audit, or you can actually book a discovery call. We will just see if we would be a good fit to work together, and yeah, learn how we can help you. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.